everybody, today we're going to do pork chops in the Ninja Foodi. We're going to use the rack method. So mine were semi-frozen, so I put them in the microwave for about 3 minutes and they got tender. I put some seasoning on them and now we're going to put them in. Okay, they're nice, they're in, and we're going to actually do the air crisp method. So let's turn it on. We're going to do the air crisp, temperature at 360, and we're gonna do it for 7 minutes. So we're gonna do it 7 minutes and then we're gonna flip them over another 7 minutes and they'll be done. Alright guys, so while we're waiting for that to come out, we're gonna do some white rice in this. This is my favorite when I'm running short on time, and it cooks so much. So it's just for 2 people right now. So it comes with a measuring cup, and we're gonna put some rice in here and then some water, and it's good to go. Okay, it's done. Let's see. Alright, that was 7 minutes. Now we need to put it for another 7 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and flip them over and we set the timer again for 7 and the temperature at 360. Crisp temp at 360 minutes. So whenever this is done, it'll bounce back up and it'll say warm. Sometimes the water will spill over, but right now it's fine. I'm gonna go ahead and open it and let's see how it looks. Definitely be careful with the steam. That's our white rice. Okay, and let's check on our chops. So the chops are done, are ready for 7 minutes on both sides, and they look amazingly good. Let's cut into one. Alright guys, we're all done. Awesome. Thank you for subscribing. Hit the like button. Leave any comments. Thank you. Bye-bye.